Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. We continue Energy Conservation and Energy Efficiency Module 12. Energy, Part 3. Greatest savings at least cost. First, we will recap our last video. We demonstrated a way to forward this energy module, particularly in energy topics. In this video we are going to learn greatest savings at no cost or least cost concept in detail. What do you mean greatest savings at no cost or least cost? No-cost measures means energy savings measures, including those related to good housekeeping, involving no material additional expenditure and/or no capital expenditure to carry out. Awareness program. The success of an energy efficiency program or initiative depends on people as much as, or even more than technology. To maximize the energy savings potential of your hotel, an effort has to be made to raise the awareness of everyone involved, including owners, managers, executives, operations staff, tenants and suppliers, through an energy efficiency awareness program. There are a number of stages to consider when coming up with an energy efficiency awareness program. They include: Stage 1. Commit. The overall success of such a campaign depends on the cooperation and involvement of everyone within an organization, including senior and middle management. This commitment is essential to driving an energy awareness campaign and showing staff that they are serious about making the campaign a success. Stage 2. Identify. The identify stage is where you find out the level of energy awareness that employees currently have, what will encourage them to change behavior, and how they will get involved. It is also the stage where you will identify your message and audience. Stage 3. Plan. Once you have assessed awareness and motivation, identify your audience and your messages, then it is time to start planning your program. For take action. If you have planned your activities thoroughly, taking action should be fairly straightforward. However, it still takes time, effort, and commitment. Stage 5. Review. Reviewing and evaluating your awareness campaign is an extremely important step. You and your team will obviously have a feel for the response the campaign is getting and whether or not it is working. However, it is important to objectively review and see if objectives and targets are being met. How to match source to load. Operate chillers, boilers, pumps and cooling tower equipment in accordance with actual loads. It assume that necessary control devices are in place but not tuned as required. Shut off equipment that is not required for load by automation tools. Don't allow simultaneous cooling and heating unless intermediate season conditions dictate, for pipe systems. Wisely use humidity or zone control to avoid heating process. What is meant by unbalanced electrical load in hotel? In three-phase condition, the load is called as ballast if phases are 120-degree angle apart, anti-clockwise. If the angle is less or more than 120 degree, then the load present in the three-phase system are in unbalanced condition. For analysis, the three-phase unbalanced system, the scientist Fortisus gave a theorem. In this theorem, the unbalanced AC circuit divided into three sequences. 1 positive sequence, 2 negative sequence, 3 zero sequence. In the positive sequence, the voltages sources are present, but in the negative sequence voltage are absent. Positive and negative sequence are almost similar, taking neutral as reference. in the ZO sequence for the neutral current. In the ZO sequence, ground is taken as reference point for analysis. The neutral current is sum of current in three-phase current. This is very interesting low-cost measures and we'll discuss in detail with example, case study area. How to schedule HVAC equipment. Schedule HVAC equipment and systems according to time if building management system available or install timers and set on or off time interval. Shut off individual units in unoccupied areas. Guest rooms are controlled by guest room management system or housekeeping when making up rooms after checking out. Depending on season, shut off or maintain minimum room temperatures by resetting thermostats. How to adjust steam boiler operation. Operate steam boilers at 2 pressure levels. For example, in hotel at high pressure steam mainly used at laundry where maximum 6 to 8 kilograms per square centimeter required, whereas remaining application like generating hot water or kitchen may require only low pressure steam, so that based on laundry working hour you can have high steam pressure and remaining time at low pressure as setting in boiler. Low and high flame also one of the important factors to adjust air and fuel ration in boiler operation. Ensure proper water treatment and control total dissolved solid by limited blowdown. If you have provision, try to preheat feed water and preheat air. How to tweak constant air volume and variable speed. Use variable speed secondary system pumps instead of differential pressure control. Install inverter or variable frequency drive to operate pumps. Also load convert systems with 3-way control and bypass return to 2-way control. Modulate pump operation instead of constant full volume water flow. Convert constant air volume to 2-speed or variable frequency controlled high-efficiency motors. Auditing capacity of central equipment with load requirements. Review capacity of central equipment relative to actual load. Operates less efficiently. Energy conservation often result in existing equipment then becoming too large for connected load. Consider additional smaller equipment, for example at nights and during intermediate or winter seasons. Although payback period may be longer, life expectancy of major equipment will extended. An ideal opportunity to do this is when replacing worn-out equipment. Is your automatic controls function as design intense? Heating, cooling and ventilation controls have the following. Free cooling. Cycle air handler. Dynamic control. Enthalpy control. Optimize start or stop. Expand fixed set point. Building automation system. Night setback. Convert CAV to VAV. Double deck system. Compare air and water balance commissioning report with present status. Improve air and water balance within their respective distribution systems. Unbalanced systems are inefficient and require air handlers, chillers, and boilers to run longer. At higher boilers and lower chillers temperatures than necessary, causing loss in comfort. Investigate and correct any unsatisfactory heating and cooling performance of plant. We have come to end of this video and hope you have subscribed for channel. If not, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more training modules. See you next topic on small to large savings at reasonable cost.
Thanks for watching.